This is another requested video, the Fyrnetics model F900D smoke alarm. This unit is 9-volt battery powered. It's got a hinge cover on it, unlike most of the earlier models. You got your sensing chamber over here, your brass air squealer horn here, and these units are operated by a alkaline only 9-volt battery. If you put any other type in here, it will not work properly. These were also made in Elgin, Illinois. Test button is made by basically a short. When the button is pressed, it shorts across the two pins, and there you have it. Fyrnetics F900D, approximately made in '75.